Let's dive right into our topic today: how to write a scholarship essay. Many of you might wonder, what's the difference between a scholarship essay and an admission essay? Well, while both essays require you to showcase your qualities, skills, and achievements, a scholarship essay has a specific goal: to persuade the scholarship committee that you are the best candidate for the award that is a scholarship grant. Now, let's discuss what a scholarship essay is and its goals. A scholarship essay is a piece of writing that gives you the opportunity to convince the scholarship committee that you deserve the scholarship. Its primary goal is to provide a platform where you can highlight your educational goals, future career plans, and why you think you deserve the scholarship. The first step to writing a successful scholarship essay is to outline your essay. This helps you organize your thoughts and ideas and ensures that you stay on track throughout your essay. It's like a roadmap that guides you from the introduction to the conclusion of your essay. Once you have your outline, it's time to get started with your essay. Remember, the first impression is crucial. It's important to start your essay with a strong and compelling introduction that grabs the reader's attention right from the start. Choosing a topic is the next important step. Your topic should be something that you're passionate about, as this will make it easier for you to write a persuasive and engaging essay. Remember, the goal is to convince the scholarship committee that you're the best candidate for the award. After you've chosen your topic, it's time to write a hook. This is the first sentence of your essay, and it's designed to grab the reader's attention and make them want to read more. It could be a powerful statement, a question, or even a quote that relates to your topic. Now, let's move on to the body of your essay. This is where you develop your ideas and arguments, provide evidence to support your claims, and discuss your educational and career goals. Each paragraph should focus on one main idea or argument and should connect to the next paragraph in a logical and coherent way. Once you've developed your body, it's time to conclude your essay. Your conclusion should effectively summarize your main points and reinforce why you deserve the scholarship. It's your last chance to leave a lasting impression on the scholarship committee. Finally, don't forget to edit and proofread your essay. This is an essential step that ensures your essay is free of grammatical errors and typos, and that your ideas and arguments are clear and coherent. Remember, a well-written essay can be the key to winning that scholarship you've been dreaming of. In case you are not sure about your writing abilities, contact Grab My Essay experts for professional academic assistance. Hire an expert to help with your scholarship essay and impress the committee.